In the run-up to the launch of the iPhone X last year, analysts were visibly salivated by the prospect of a supercycle of iPhone upgrade, a tide of profitability that would sweep Apple's stock to unprecedented heights and truly enthrone Apple as the king of all smartphone manufacturers. That first part, the iPhone X leading a supercycle update, never happened at all, but not necessarily for the reasons that analysts predicted. Instead of facing the hard winds against the competition of an Android resurgent industry, the worst enemy of the iPhone X has been one that comes from within, the old iPhone design that simply refuses to die. A new report from consumer intelligence research partners found that the iPhone X has been reduced by sales of Apple's previous iPhones. Sure, you'd expect the iPhone X to be sold for the cheaper iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus, and it was, with the iPhone X capturing only 16% of iPhone sales, compared to 44% for the iPhone 8 and the iPhone 8 Plus. But the real surprise comes when analyzing the sales of families of iPhone 7 and iPhone 6s. The iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus, yes, 2 years old, exceeded in sales to the iPhone X, representing 20% of iPhone sales in the first quarter of 2018. The iPhone X barely beat the iPhone 6s family in the same quarter, with the iPhone X obtained 16% of sales and the iPhone 6s and 6s Plus were combined for 13%. Even the iPhone SE, a device that was mid-level when it was introduced and that has not been updated in more than a year, earned 8% of iPhone sales.